Before we jump into the math, let's break down exactly what these terms mean. First, we have the air velocity. The plane's air velocity is not the speed relative to the ground. Okay, it's the velocity relative to the air. Think of it like this. Imagine the air around the plane is a giant invisible bubble, and the plane is flying inside this air bubble. And this plane is moving at 220 meters per second inside this air bubble, as if the air bubble were perfectly still. We can express this velocity as VPA is the velocity of the plane versus the air. Okay, this is exactly the same idea as when you are walking on a moving train. See, this is the train. Your velocity, say 1.2 meters per second, is measured relative to the train itself, not the ground outside. Okay, so in this problem, the air is acting just like the train. Now, in reality, our air bubble is not standing still, it's also moving. And that moving air is what we call wind. So the wind's velocity is simply how fast this entire air bubble is moving relative to the Earth or to the ground. And we can express this as VAG. So it's the velocity of the air relative to the ground. And the question tells us that the wind speed is 50 meters per second towards north. And this is analogous to the train with a certain speed relative to the ground. In that case, both you and train are in motion. Similarly, in this airplane case, both the airplane and the air are in motion. What we are solving for is the velocity of the plane relative to the ground.